What's up, guys and girls? Schultechno here, Mr. Schulte from the Tech Ed department, talking to you about Advanced Engineering Design. This is a promotion of the course that would follow Intro to Engineering Design. So if you've taken that course and you found some interest in 3D modeling and creating solutions to problems, let me try and sell you on this one. This class is all about improving your creative confidence, your ability to take on and solve problems. And in fact, we read a book called Creative Confidence. It's by the Kelly brothers. We take it at a very manageable pace. It's only a little over 200 pages, and we spend most of the quarter reading it. So it's not going to be a ton. We'll actually read the first couple chapters in class. The book itself was written by the Kelly brothers. This is Dave and Tom Kelly. They founded IDEO, the design firm in California that works for Apple and all kinds of big corporations. You may have remembered hearing some stuff from them in Intro to Engineering Design. They also have they have a school, a design school at Harvard that they run, a department, an entire department devoted to design and problem solving. And they wrote this book, which is fantastic and addresses what I think is a area that we lack in, which is the ability to take on problems and creatively come up with solutions. People that can do that are very valuable in this world, and they find employment and self-worth and all kinds of returns from that. So that's one aspect of the class. The other portions of the class, we work with the Boss laser engraver, and we do a number of projects with the laser engraver. I'll show you some examples of that in a little bit. We also work with the plasma cutter that's in the processing lab. We do a number of projects with the plasma cutter. We do intro projects with these to get you comfortable with them, using the software that they use. Fusion can talk to all of these, so if you can model in Fusion, it's one way to get processes through there. But we'll also use Lightburn software for the laser and the proprietary software on the plasma cutter. We do projects, intro projects with those to get you some confidence, and then we really move into the design process build unit, which is the bulk of the class, which is you finding a problem and creating a solution. We use Trello to manage that. Trello is a project management software that basically keeps jobs as cards, and then we can assign those to individuals. So this is an example that I'll use to explain to you. The Sartell Baseball Association wanted bat racks for their new dugouts. And so Steven and Jackson Voss and Alex Frankie and Kalen Lewis took this one on, and they designed and built a series of bat racks. Steven put together a presentation on this that outlines initial designs, iterations or versions, mirroring and nesting these so that we could cut them more efficiently, and then finished product getting powder coated here. That was sent out. We didn't do the powder coating. But then even like cost estimation, what we should charge the Baseball Association, what kind of profit we should be getting, and what kind of challenges we ran into. That is just an example of one of the projects that we took on last year. We made chopper mitts for the school store that were laser engraved. We created signs for Mrs. Steve, a student recognition wall. This is the wall that you see in the entrance, the black anodized aluminum cards that are on there are our creation and design work, and we'll update this in the 2020 class. These are Student of the Year awards, and so we created these placards, and this was the team that did that. Additionally, some other smaller projects we worked on. Culinary Food Truck Award. We had some food truck championships that were supposed to be last spring that got pushed off because of COVID. We made some stamps for ceramics class for doing impressions on clay mugs that were, again, for the coffee shop, which has been closed for the time being. Stuff for the Phy Ed department. Emergency Rappel Project. These are the bags that you see in the second level rooms. We created ropes and method to basically jump out of the building safely if you ever had to emergency evacuate. So these are all projects that we took on. Individual students and teams of students took on. We work in team quite a bit. Super fun. It's an extension of Intro to Engineering Design, and it's a transition into saber manufacturing, which is another course that we offer. This is only a quarter long, so it's not a huge commitment that way. And if you have had a good experience in Intro to Engineering Design, or you're interested at all in what we've talked through here, we highly encourage you to register for Advanced Engineering Design. Okay, hope to see you in a section next year in 21, 22, or beyond.